Mining AI is the new frontier in artificial intelligence for the mining industry. We have two products, Dispatch AI and Planning AI. Let's explore Dispatch AI quickly. Dispatch AI is an artificial intelligence that has been built based on deep reinforcement learning. It connects to mine data from any dispatch system, and what it does is generate recommendations for future time windows. For example, what is the recommendation for the next hour or for the next 8 hours of production, based on an objective maximizing fine copper, minimizing costs depending on the goal. What the dispatch AI generates is a recommendation about what the shovel utilization and shovel wait times should be and the number of trucks. And obviously, it estimates the production of each of these shovels, seeking to maximize production, minimize costs, and achieve the goal, whether it's fine copper or ore production. In this way, we can seamlessly interact with Dispatch AI remotely through a powerful LLM like ChatGPT, Gemini, or even Claude. In this way, we have integrated production. How does the system do it? We have two artificial intelligence agents, Planning AI, which does long term, short term, and medium term planning, and Dispatch AI, which handles dispatch management. These AIs have been built based on reinforcement learning. We also have Planning AI, which is an AI for mine planning. In this way, as I mentioned, we can integrate mine planning into an LLM and be able to ask questions about what the mining plan is for the next month or for the next year. What does Planning AI provide us? It gives us the production plan, waste and ore, the copper grade, the cutoff grade, the fine copper profile. It gives us the cash flow and obviously the economic value. What is it that we're doing? We are building an advanced artificial intelligence system from the mine to the port using reinforcement learning.